Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to study English language, chapter number 8, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Verbs can be classified in several ways on the basis of their requirement of direct object. Verbs are the following types: transitive verb and intransitive verb. First, we understand what is transitive verb. Transitive verbs are followed by nouns or pronouns that are served as direct objects in the sentence. Generally, English sentence structure follows this pattern: subject plus verb plus direct object. Okay, let's take some example. I own a car. Here I subject, own is verb, a car is object. Okay. We honor India. We honor India. Here we subject, honor is verb and India is object. There are so many examples given in your book. They plant trees. The trees has leaves. Mother loves me. To find the object of a transitive verb, we usually ask a question beginning with what or who. Okay? I own a car. Just see the example. I own a car. If you question this sentence, what do I own? That means what do I own? Okay? What do I own means I own a car. Okay. Now look at the another example. My mother loves me. My mother loves me. If we ask a question to this sentence, then the question will be, whom does my mother love? Whom does my mother love? The answer will be me. Okay. Now we will discuss about the intransitive verb. So what is intransitive verb? Verbs that do not require a direct object is called or are called the intransitive verb. It doesn't require any object to express its complete meaning. For example, birds fly. Birds fly. Okay. Fish swim. Fish swim. Okay. Look at the first sentence. Birds fly. Here birds is subject and fly is verb. It has no object. Okay. But it's express the complete meaning. Birds fly. Fish swim. Okay. So fish is subject, swim is verb. It doesn't require any object to express its complete thought or complete meaning. Okay. So these kind of verb, fly, swim, okay, are called intransitive verb because it doesn't require any object to express its complete meaning. Okay. Here are some examples of transitive and intransitive verbs given in your book. Just see, she cooks dinner, Lata sings song, Mrs. Tanya teaches grammar. Okay, I own a toy. These are all transitive verbs. Cooks, sings, teaches, own, because it requires a subject, dinner, songs, grammar, and toy respectively. Okay, look at the examples of intransitive verb. She cooks, Lata sings, Mrs. Tanya teaches, I own. These have no these sentences have no object. So these are here she cooks, Lata sings, Mrs. Tanya teaches, I own. These are the intransitive verb. Cooks, sings, teaches, own, because it has no object. Okay. Transitive verbs of complete and incomplete predication. Okay. Now we will see verbs of complete and incomplete predication. Intransitive verb can be verbs of complete predication which express a complete thought without the help of other words. For example, fire birds. Okay, birds fly. The wind blows. Here birds fly, blows. Okay. The sentence of fire birds fly, it expresses a complete thought without the help of other words. Okay. There is no word after birds fly, blows. So these are the complete thought. Okay. Verb of incomplete prediction which need to help other words to express complete thought. Intransitive verb can be the verb of incomplete prediction which need the help of other word to express complete thought. For example, honey tastes sweet. Okay. The player seemed nervous. The player seemed nervous. Here, taste, seemed. Okay. It express incomplete prediction. Okay. It takes another word or other words to express its complete meaning. Here, tastes what? Sweet. Seemed what? Nervous. Okay. So, the common verbs of incomplete prediction are be, is, are, am, was, were, seemed, appear, look, become, feel, taste, learn, and grow. These require other words in the sentence to express its complete meaning. Okay. Then, complement of intransitive verb. The complement of intransitive verb can be nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, participles, prepositional phrases, and infinitives. Okay. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब का जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स होता है वो नाउन भी होता है, प्रोनाउन, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब्स, पार्टिसिपल्स, प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेजेस एंड इंफिनिटिव्स हो सकता है. लुक एट द एग्जांपल. पुलकित इज माय फ्रेंड. सी पेज नंबर 44. पुलकित इज माय फ्रेंड. हियर फ्रेंड इज नाउन. ओके. हियर इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब is what? Friend is the complement of intransitive verb is kids. Okay. The house is ours. Here ours pronoun. She is sweet. Here sweet. Okay, is adjective. Okay, and so on. In my next class we will discuss about the transitive verb. Okay, thank you.